Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to break down how any Xbox 360 can be hacked with just a USB flash drive. So, without further ado, let's go right into it. We're going dark. So yes, you heard me. Any Xbox 360 can now be hacked using a USB drive via a newly discovered software exploit called BadUpdate. So this method allows, users to bypass Microsoft's Hypervisor protections and run unsigned code, enabling homebrew applications, games, emulators, and custom dashboards. So here are the key aspects that you're going to want to take into account. The requirements is a FAT32 formatted USB stick, special software, the BadUpdate, and a trial version of Rock Band Blitz. The compatibility, it works on all Xbox 360 models, including the more secure Winchester versions with the latest firmware 17.559. Now the process is as goes. The exploit is applied via the USB stick and must be executed every time the console is powered on. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to run successfully. Now there are some limitations. The hack is not persistent and it's requiring reapplication after each reboot. Additionally, executables must be patched manually to function. Now, how reliable is this BadUpdate exploit? So the BadUpdate exploit for Xbox 360 is not highly reliable and requires patience to execute successfully. Now, here are some key things that you are going to want to consider in regards to reliability. So the exploit is not always dependable and can take a significant amount of time to execute properly. It requires multiple attempts and can take an average of 20 minutes to succeed. The process is described as mangling everything inside the software to find an area in which you can exploit the hypervisor. So the exploit is non-persistent, meaning it needs to be reapplied every time the console is powered on. Now, each time the console is restarted, all modifications are purged, requiring users to run the exploit again. Now, basically, how long does it take to set up the BadUpdate exploit? So setting the BadUpdate exploit for the Xbox 360 is a time-consuming process that requires patience and persistence. Now, here is the steps. So the initial exploit execution can take up to 20 minutes per attempt. So due to its low success rate, which is about 30%, you may need to make multiple attempts. So if the exploit doesn't work within 20 minutes, you need to reboot the console and start over. So that's your barometer right there, 20 minutes. So the entire process, including multiple attempts, can potentially take hours. Once successful, you need to repeat this process every time you power on the console, as the exploit is not persistent. So the setup involves several stages which can be monitored through the console's LED indicators. So stage 1, you have the first LED quadrant lit. The stage 2 is the second LED quadrant lights up. Stage 3, third LED quadrant lights up, followed by alternating LED patterns. Stage 4, successful launch, right? All 4 LED quadrants lit. Now, there are some risks that are associated with this BadUpdate. Now, you're going to want to consider systems instability, right? Using BadUpdate could potentially cause crashes, freezes, and system instability on your Xbox 360 console. There are security vulnerabilities, so by modifying your console software, you may expose it to security risks, right? Making it more vulnerable to malware or other cyber attacks. There are legal risks too, right? Modding your console could violate terms of service or end user license agreements, potentially leading to legal issues or account bans. There's data loss that plays a factor, so the process of applying BadUpdate could result in data loss if something goes wrong during the installation or execution of the exploit. Now, you have compatibility issues as well. Using modified software might cause compatibility problems with games, apps, and online services. That's what I have for today. Please take a moment right now to hit the subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video, you want more like it, and you got value from it, hit that subscribe button and the like button. See you on the next video.